Hey, what is up and welcome to today's video. This is part one in the DIY kitchen makeover series. This is the exact picture on how the previous owners had their kitchen before we even moved in. And when we moved in, I knew right away that I really wanted to update this kitchen. So this is a quick, easy project that we did. It was super budget friendly. We just painted everything. Painted the cabinets, painted the countertops. We did a peel and stick backsplash from Amazon. This is the before and after. The updates actually lasted quite a while, but I'm over it. I'm ready to rip it all out and start fresh and new and update this kitchen. So in today's video, we're gonna demo out our kitchen so we can completely start over. So our countertops, we use a DIY paint kit, and over time it definitely, started to chip. That is why I'm ready to go ahead and just switch it up. This peel and stick backsplash kind of got some yellow staining from the air fryer. And as you can see, it's definitely starting to peel away from the wall. We had this done for about 2 years and I'm just over it, and it's definitely time to just demo this out and start fresh with something new. In addition to all the upgrades, we did go ahead and get all new appliances, so stainless steel instead of the black. And everything we did was pretty much to just hold us over until we really had the money to fix our kitchen and pretty much do it the right way. The cabinets also started to chip over time, and I honestly thought about just repainting them, but I'm really happy that we decided to buy brand new Hampton Bay white cabinets instead. First, we got rid of our old sink and faucet. The sink honestly was way too shallow for me. As you can see here, it's very shallow. We got a deeper sink and we got a nice new faucet that we got from Home Depot. So today is demo day. I'm gonna go ahead and strip these walls, take off this sticky backsplash. We're gonna prep the walls and get them ready to put on the brand new backsplash. In addition, we're going to completely get rid of these countertops and take down these old cabinets and put in brand new white Hampton Bay cabinets. So it's gonna look really good. So stay tuned for all of that. I really did like this backsplash. We got it from Amazon. It was fairly cheap too. It lasted us 2 years, like I mentioned, before we decided to just take it down and redo it. But if I was to redo another peel and stick backsplash, I would definitely take my time this time and maybe use some additional adhesive to really get it to stick and not peel away from the walls over time. Oh no! I literally just broke this off trying to rip it. It's so annoying, but luckily these are like super cheap, so it's cool. I'll just get another one. I should have already had them all off. This is when I realized there was like 700 layers of paint on the wall, and look, it literally just peels right off. So I went ahead and peeled the rest of it off and got it ready to be sanded. So here we got everything peeled off, sanded down, prepped, and ready to go. I went ahead and just cleaned up everything and just took a wet washcloth and wiped down all the dust that was all on the walls and on the countertops, just to get everything prepped and ready for the new backsplash. We went to Floor and Decor to check out some new backsplash, but while we were there, we found some floors that we really liked. These are the vinyl plank floorings for our kitchen. to replace what we had in there before. Believe it or not, our kitchen floors were actually peel and stick floors as well. So super budget friendly, but it feels good to actually upgrade everything to the real nice luxury vinyl plank flooring.
Got it?
Is there something? Okay, yeah, it's not supposed to do that.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Hold on!
In part 2 of the DIY kitchen makeover series, we're going to be pulling down and installing our brand new cabinets. We'll show you exactly how to install cabinets, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you over in the next video.